Hello guys, so today we are going to be transferring our 1/8 triangle design onto a separate piece of paper so that we can start to transfer our image to the other side. So for this, you are going to need your radial design paper with your lines, your design that you have created based off of your mood board, an extra little scrap of paper. This is the one that was attached to here originally that I cut off, a pencil, and a window. So I am sitting in front of a window and I'm going to be using the light that I see through the window in order to transfer my design. So right now I'm drawing on my scratch piece of paper. You can see it's a little dirty, that's okay. And I'm going to be tracing all of my small details with pencil onto kind of this separate small piece of paper. So I'm drawing on top of the lines that I can see because the light is casting that image through. So I am pushing pretty hard. I want this image to show up dark and bold. So I drew a bunch of fun little toucans. Like so. So I'm going to continue doing this and I will fast forward through this process. Okay, so I now have my original 1/8 triangle and I have my copy of it now on this piece of paper. So what I'm going to be doing for my actual drawing, the side with the lines is going to be the back. So this is the back of our project. We are going to be physically drawing and creating on this side, the blank side. So I'm going to still use my piece of paper. I'm going to use now the front and I'm going to be using my pencil. So the first thing that I'm going to do for this process, I'm still sitting in front of a window. I'm going to kind of set up my triangle on the window and I'm going to start to line up the different angles. So for instance, let's see, I'm gonna line that up there. Let's see if I can zoom in on my camera. You can kind of see that I am aligning those images, and I'm now going to trace that through so that I can copy that image over to my other panel and have this image recreated. So once again, we are now drawing on the side that does not have any lines. Whenever I'm tracing my image, I'm not going to trace those lines over. And you can see that image is going to start to go through. So I'm going to continue doing this for all of the different triangles. So each time that I change, I'm going to rotate. One thing you'll notice, certain times if you rotate it and you don't kind of flip your paper, it's not, the whole entire triangle is not going to fit on the front side of the paper. So sometimes I'm going to physically flip this second piece of paper so that I make sure, yes, that information is still fitting and I'm not losing any of my drawing. So the image is going to kind of flip back and forth like so. So we will go through this in class, and once again, if you need any help, let me know.